Good morning. Beta, to form a company, first stage is promotion. And when we talk about promotion of a company, first step in promotion of company is conceiving a business opportunity. That means conceiving a business idea, originating an idea that which type of business we want to start. After conceiving a business opportunity, we need to judge the feasibility studies, whether that business idea is feasible or not. We need to conduct three feasibility studies under which we judge whether this idea is technically, financially, and economically feasible or not. Third step is deciding about the name of the company, name approval. Having decided incorporate to a company, the promoters have to select a name for it and submit an application to the registrar of companies of the state in which the registered office is to be situated. That means if you want to start a company in the state of Rajasthan, then you need to file an application to the registrar of the company in Rajasthan, right? The promoters have to select a name and an application to the registrar of the companies of the state in which the registered office is to be situated for its approval. Proposed name should not be similar to any other name. This may be approved if it is not considered undesirable. It may happen that another company exists with the same name or a very similar name, or the preferred name is misleading. So, say to suggest that company is in a particular business when it is not true. In such case, the proposed name is not accepted, but some alternate name may be approved. Therefore, three names in order of their priority are given. Not even a single name was given. Three names are given in the priority to the application to the registrar of the companies. Then we need to fix the signatories to the memorandum of association. Memorandum of association is the document which defines the objectives of the company, right? तो जहाँ पे हमारे objectives लिखे होंगे उसको sign कौन करेगा? Signatories. Signatories means chartered accountant, directors. They are signatories, those who sign the document. Promoters have to decide about the members who will be signing the most important document of the company, memorandum of association of the proposed company. Usually, the people signing memorandum are also the first directors of the company. So, their written consent to act as directors and to take up the qualification in shares in the company is necessary. What are qualification shares? That means to become the director of a particular company, आपके लिए ये शेयर्स परचेज करने कंपलसरी हैं, तभी आप इस कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स बन सकते हो. तो वो अपना कंसेंट देंगे कि येस वी वांट टू बिकम द डायरेक्टर्स एंड वी आर परचेजिंग दीज, वी आर सब्सक्राइबिंग दीज क्वालिफिकेशन shares. Then we appoint professionals. Certain professionals, such as mercantile bankers, auditors, are appointed by the promoters to help them in the preparation of necessary documents which are required to be with the registrar of companies. The name and address of the shareholders and the number of shares allotted to each is submitted to the registrar in the statement called return of allotment. First of all, we need to conceive a business idea. After conceiving a business idea, three feasibility studies. Then we need to get the name approval. After getting the name approval, we need signatories to the memorandum of association. Then we need to appoint professionals. After appointing professional, we will prepare necessary documents. Which documents we need to prepare? Three documents we need to prepare. Memorandum of association, it defines the objectives of the company. Article of association, it defines the rules and regulations of the company with the employees and outsiders. And consent of the directors. Consent means उनकी yes कि yes हम इस कंपनी के डायरेक्टर्स बनने के लिए रेडी हैं. तो द प्रमोटर टेक्स अप स्टेप्स टू प्रिपेयर सर्टेन लीगल documents which have to be submitted under the law to the registrar of companies for getting the company registered. Promoters को कुछ लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनाने होते हैं जो कि सबमिट होंगे रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज को कंपनी को रजिस्टर करने के लिए. एंड दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन एंड consent of directors. Okay beta, so today we will study about the functions of promoters. We studied first two steps yesterday, that is conceiving a new business idea. After conceiving a new business idea, feasibility studies, and then we need to get the name approval. 3 names are given in the priority. Name should not be similar to any other company, or name should not be misleading. Then we need to fix up the signatories to the memorandum of association, those who signed, those who agreed to take up the qualification shares, and those who give their consent to act as directors. Then they need to appoint professionals, those who sign the registrar of the company, and that is to be submitted, which is called return of allotment. And then we need to prepare various documents which are to be submitted to the registrar to get the company registered. Please revise this. We'll meet tomorrow.